Hey Dad, I'm just leaving Sebastian here because I've got an appointment for a hair transplant that's happening today, alright?
Yeah.
Alright?
What?
Alright? Alright?
Alright. Don't worry.
Alright.
Hey, Nonno.
Hello, Sebastian.
How long you been doing that for?
I've been doing this for hours.
For hours?
4 hours.
For hours or 4 hours?
Not 4 hours. 4 hours.
What do you mean 4 hours?
I said the 4 hours, you know. It starts with F, ends with R. 4.
For hours or 4 hours?
I've been doing this for hours.
That doesn't make sense. 4 hours.
4 hours.
4 hours or 4 hours?
I've been doing this for 4 hours. 4 hours.
4 hours.
4 hours.
Okay, I don't think you get it. It's 4 hours, not 4 hours.
4 hours.
4 hours.
Not 4 hours. 4 hours.
Is it 4 hours or 4 hours?
Not 4 hours. 4 hours.
Are you serious? Is it 4 hours or 4 hours?
Not 4 hours. 4 hours.
I don't get it. You're not making sense.
4 hours later.
Hey, I'm back! Look at my hair! This is the best my hair has looked for years!
4 years?
Or 4 years.